Hello, welcome to the first section of this class, the introduction to WordPress development. My name is Adi Osman. I'm a WordPress developer, a web developer, and a Django expert, and I'm also cybersecurity analyst. So this first section will be talking about the process of website development. In big organizations, there are three main units or departments that has a vital role to play in developing a website for clients. The units are as follows: the project manager, the UI UX designer, the developer unit, which consists of front-end developer, back-end developer, and sometimes full stack developer. So the full stack development role entails both the front end and back end developer. So it doesn't necessarily have to be full stack front end developer separate and back end developer separately. And sometimes, depending on the structure of the organization and also the complexity of the project, sometimes there is a need for a DevOps in between. Other important units include the software testers. After development of the project, the software testers performs various tests like functionality test, usability test, and security test. Now, the process of website development, we have the project manager at the beginning of the chain. So the project manager understands the whole project, the functionality, and the features that the client wants on the project. So the project manager is basically the person that interfaces with the client and also gives his or her expertise advice to the client on what the project may look like and the things that may be required from the project. So the project manager relays the details of the project to the UI UX design team. So the UI UX designs the UI UX team designs the interface of the website, that is what the website will look like, and how the client wants it to look like, combining their own expertise and the requirement of the project. So after that, the full stack developer or the front end and back end developer gets to work, and the front end developer basically implements the physical aspect of the website. Well, that is what the UI UX developer has designed. Then the front end developer will implement them with code using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to represent whatever the UI UX designer has designed. So the backend developer works with the front end developer in such a way that they create the parts, the file parts, the processes, and the logic of the website, the logical operation of the website, the route, the request handling processes. So those are the things they work on, and how the website respond and interact with the database. So those are the things that the backend developer works upon. So after that, the project is presented and the cycle goes on and on like that until the project is perfect for until the project is perfect and fit to go into production. So sometimes, like I said, we might have a software tester in between to test the usability of the website, the functionality, and also the security feature of the website. So advantages of using WordPress. Number one, it saves time. It saves time in the sense that you don't need to hire a front-end developer, back-end developer, project manager to get involved in the process. So all you have to do is just download your WordPress, install it, and install themes, plugins that are fit for your project, as long as you know what you already want or what the client wants in the project. So all you have to do is just get those files, install them, and tweak them into what the client wants. It reduces cost of production. Like I said, you don't need to involve a lot of people in developing the website. So in that case, you don't have to pay so many people before you be able to develop the website. It is easy to use and manage. So I think that is straightforward. You don't have to know a lot of coding. You don't. It's not necessary you know how to code, but so it's very easy to use. And once you learn few things, you'll be able to use WordPress and then manage them. So all you have to do to manage is to install plugins, update plugins and themes, and do backup of the website, maybe before and after updating plugins. Also, you can restore the website when anything goes wrong while updating the plugins. It's not heavy and can be easily optimized. So you can, let's say you want to optimize your website for search engine, then there are a lot of plugins that you can actually install, and with few clicks you'll be able to optimize your website for search engine. Also, you can optimize your website for speed, compress images, and all that. There are plugins readily available for use. Provide a lot of readily available resources to enhance your website. So like I said, a lot of things and plugins that you can easily download and install and it's get to work. It requires little or no technical know. So this means that you don't need to know how the database works, how WordPress interacts with the database, how to even set up the database from scratch. As a matter of fact, most of the hosting companies now, they have WordPress package that will readily prepare the host environment for you to easily manage, install your WordPress, and also monitor anything that has to do with your WordPress website. So you don't, if you literally don't need to know how to code or know how the database interacts with the website and vice versa. So with this will end the this will mark the end of this tutorial. Thank you.